like, comment, subscribe. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be making carrot bacon. So there's many people who have made the carrot bacon. There's lots of recipes, but of course we've all watched the Tabitha Brown one, so that's the one I'm going to use today.
You see bacon. I'm about to make carrot bacon.
Now the one thing about it is there weren't really any measurements given, so I'm gonna kind of just go with the flow. All right, so first thing I'm gonna start off with is some maple syrup, 100% maple syrup. Eyeball about maybe a tablespoon of maple syrup. All right, so then I'm going to add about 1/4 of a tablespoon, maybe about, let's say, I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3 drops. About 3 drops of liquid smoke. I'm going to add some pepper just over the maple syrup. Going to add some onion powder and just kind of swivel it over the maple syrup. Not really measuring, guys, because I didn't really have measurements, but I'm sure you can find a recipe that has measurements. So then I'm just gonna go with the garlic powder. Okay, I'm just gonna do a dash of smoked paprika, so dash. And then I'm going to stir that up. So I don't have a whole lot of bacon, so carrots. So the carrots, on hers, she used the potato peeler. I need to buy a new potato peeler, so I just cut them really thinly using a knife, which is probably more work, but I'm gonna rub them in. I may need to do another batch of this, which I probably will. So I'm just gonna rub them in the concoction, and let me get So I'm gonna put them on a baking sheet. So just lay them on my baking sheet. And I may not need to make another batch because this might be good. All right, so there we go. And I'm actually probably gonna sprinkle those with a little bit of sea salt. All right, so I'm gonna do another batch. All right, so I'm gonna make a little bit more because that's kind of dying down. They will cook for about 10 minutes each. I think I'm gonna cook 5 minutes and then flip and then cook the last 5 minutes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is actually put a little bit of salt, sprinkle right, so now I'm gonna put these in the oven. Hey guys, so while that is cooking, I am going to make a slider, and it's actually a Gardein crispy chicken slider, and these are good. I actually like them, and I will buy some more. So I'm going to actually make, I have one in the package left, so I'm gonna make a slider to eat with my carrot bacon. So I'll need to heat up the meat that's inside, which is not real meat, of course, and the small bun, and go from there. All right, so now it's time to flip these bad boys and let them get crispy. All right, guys, so I'm gonna try some of my bacon and see how it tastes. It's good. If it were just as crispy, or if it had been a little bit more thin like hers, it would have been a little bit more crispy, but the flavor is good. So let me show you what I'm making. So as you can see, I put some, on my slider, I put some of my bacon slices, the avocado, and some mustard at the bottom. So let's see how it is. All right, guys, so I'm gonna give this a taste test. Here it is. Pretty good. My carrot bacon, my avocado. Really good. Yummy. Thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and yeah, subscribe. Then of course, hit that bell notification so you know when I post. Love you. Bye.